Good shot. Yes.
Yes.
Nice.
Good start, Ikhlaq bhai.
Good shot.
10 people.
नहीं 10 ठीक है यार हसनैन 10 ठीक है नहीं बॉलर को एक्सक्लूड करके 10 है राइट मैन
Should we do 9 excluding the bowler?
excluding bowler and keeper should be 9
Excluding the bowler and keeper. Okay, fine then. Land. We're fine then, right?
yeah then we are fine
Then we're fine.
we're fine
We're fine.
official game में होता है ना 11 players on the ground
Set. Got it.
That is good.
Got it.
Yeah.
Square leg. Keep square leg.
Akhlaq, your eyes are set yeah take your time okay your eyes are set bad balls yes
Come on, beat the bat. Oh, is that? Oh, beauty. Swung out.
good ball
Good
Naushad
ball, Naushad.
6 runs, 2 balls.
It was fine.
ठीक है
That's your line and length, buddy. Come on, beat the bat. Oh,
Run, buddy.
Good reply,
Let
good
me-
reply. Good comeback. Good
India,
comeback.
there's a leg by run. Watch out for the next ball, guys. Leg by
सब कुछ है overthrow leg by everything
Hatim. Behind the wicket. Good bowling, Naushad. Good reply.
यार lean back कहाँ गया हाँ
Danger, batsman.
4-7
Easy catch.
कोई नहीं है.
दो है good running Aditya good running Ikhlaq 9 5-9 last ball
Good bowling, Naushad.
बाबू ठीक ही अच्छा बैट है यार
स्टैमिना नहीं है बैट्समैन में
come on
Oh, lovely.
Wide.
Over. No.
नहीं
Inside the corner.
okay 6 overs 9 देखो ये हमारे पास प्रोफेशनल में 15 उनका एवरेज था वी हैव टू स्कोर 15 ये बैट ट्राई कर लो दिस इज आल्सो गुड ठीक है फाइबर है चलिए
I'm gonna go out. Let's see what happens.
शाबाश वेग
प्रैक्टिस गेम सोचें आप जैसे आप प्रैक्टिस में कर रहे थे
Except that one.
हसनैन वी आर सेटिंग अप अनदर गेम श्रीलंकन टीम के साथ नहीं वो टीम नहीं है दूसरी टीम है
वो राशिद वाली. अच्छा उससे पहले प्रैक्टिस हो जाए काफी.
बॉलिंग
इसीलिए मैं कह रहा हूँ प्रैक्टिस करो
क्या बात है वेग
इसीलिए कह रहा हूँ ना कि ये लाइक इनको जो 3 ओवर मैंने बोला सुबह प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए रिमूव योर
भाई पता उसके अंदर ना ये भी फेयर की बात भी है, लेकिन वही भी सही बोला है कि आप हिट करो लेकिन देख के करो. अपने विकेट लूज पर क्या फायदा एक छक्के मारने के बाद आप आउट हो जाओ मैच में. लेकिन वो भी सही नहीं है ना. एटलीस्ट वी नीड प्लेयर्स टू स्कोर मोर देन एवरी प्लेयर नीड्स टू स्कोर मोर देन एटलीस्ट 16 रन्स जब जाके हमारा 100 तक होगा टारगेट.
यस शॉट लेकिन देखो ये सब शॉट्स हमें चाहिए 6
नहीं
4 ये सब शॉट्स हमें चाहिए मैच में 10 ओवर आपने देखा उस दिन हमारी बैटिंग आती नहीं है यार
गुड बॉलिंग दिस वाज अ टॉप एज
गुड शॉट Ikhlaq एक्सीलेंट शॉट 13 वाइड नहीं है
अंदर से.
ओए
फर्क ये था
अंदर से क्या बोल्ड नहीं हुआ
नहीं गाँव के अंदर सही. हमारे फर्क ये था उनके हर ओवर में ना 3 छक्के से लग रहे थे मिनिमम. हमारा एक लग रहा था. एक भी
नहीं लग रहा था
एक भी नहीं लगा था हर
हमारे
over में.
5 ओवर में 27 थे ये याद रखो ना वो सोचो 5 और 27 इज नॉट अ गुड स्टार्ट
पहले फर्स्ट गेम में ना.
हाँ हमें if we can keep I'm not saying go to at that rate. वो 70 बना दें. हम 40-50 तो करें.
5 balls.
8 to 10 overs per over.
4. Hey, extra 5 runs. Misleading. 5 runs extra.
स्टार्ट को 10 रन से, क्योंकि फिर एक्स्ट्रास आ जाते हैं, 12-15 रन आ ही
Right,
जाते हैं।
right.
ये झूठ बोलेंगे 5 runs extra ऐड करो.
Wide.
Oh.
और हसनैन अगर आपने
3.
छक्का मार दिया ना एक ओवर में बाउंड्री, तो बॉलर खुद ही डाउन हो जाता है. एक बार वो 4 बॉल देगा.
Wide, yeah. Wide ball.
वो वाइड नहीं हुई थी इससे पहले.
ये नादिर कहाँ खड़ा है?
2-2.
अरे क्या बात है, क्या बात
Good
है.
running guys, good running.
नौशाद caught napping.
Last ball.
लास्ट बॉल। Okay, that was a 1 run. Come on.
That was a 0.
नहीं, एक तो था, एक तो बनता।
Score 16, right? हसनैन?
नहीं गिनता।
एक 13 हुए, एक 4 पड़ा, एक वाइड हुआ और अभी 16. You know यार मैं भूल जाऊंगा. दो है, नहीं है. 17, 2 overs. Good start guys. देखिए, ऐसे यही फर्क है उसका. अभी we are not ready for it. They will not score 6-17 years.
Okay, लाग भाई 2 balls. उसके बाद
नहीं खेले.
नहीं.
बस
We have too many players. 7 से 2 हो गए.
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
आपका फेवरेट बॉलर आ गया.
My favorite batsman.
अच्छा, आपको अभी हम एक और उनसे खेलने के पहले एक और मैच हम सेट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. श्रीलंकन टीम.
1 second लाला.
राशिद है ना, राशिद की टीम है. अच्छा, इनकी टीम में डिड यू रियलाइज 3 चक कर रहे थे. आपसे लाला कोई बात करेंगे.
Over 70.
You won't allow chak.
जैसे
Hey, Venk, you realize last week they had 3 people who were chucking.
What chucking?
They on
On their side, yeah.
We should be clear with the rules.
But how though? You know, we can't protest without looking like we're complaining.
Yeah, but chuck is.
You're right. You're absolutely right. But there's no way to enforce
I mean, अगर यासिर चक करेगा तो it will be like
Right.
unplayable. यासिर 5 miles
Try
per
ना
hour
करो.
का
Nothing
उठाएगा.
पीछे,
Try ना
बिल्कुल
करो.
पीछे. दो बचा हुआ.
ट्राई करूँ ना.
एक बार ट्राई करो.
एक सेकंड
लाला को try करना.
नादिर, you know, you see where the cone
फिर
is?
देखना क्या बात होगी.
फिर
यार ये क्या-
Nadir, 3 more steps this way.
This is
You hug that
absurd.
cone. Second cone. No, not you. Yeah, second cone.
ये नजर भाई ने लिखा था ना.
There you go. Stay there. Let's go, Lala. Way!
कोई नहीं, इखलाक मिलेगा.
यार हलवा.
ये बॉल था.
ये तो था.
मिलेगा.
अभी का अंपायर. Come on, Lala, beat the bat.
फारूक भाई आ जाए.
Beauty.
फारूक भाई
2 balls up. Keep up. Huh?
फारूक भाई याद है कैसे खेला प्रैक्टिस में आपने.
Let's see.
इंशाल्लाह.
Freedy. Let's go. Bowling, Lala.
Yeah, shot.
One. Only one. 3 balls up.
Aditya, your favorite bowler, buddy.
Score.
18. 3 balls, right? 3 balls.
3 balls up. Let's go, Lala.
थोड़ा रन चाहिए. 4 balls up.
Bowling है लाला.
4 balls 18.
Good bowling, Lala.
5 balls.
Beauty.
5 balls, 18.
Last ball, last ball.
No answer, no answer.
No, it was very high. It just bounced.
No,
Nah, did it hit the wicket? No. Oh. I thought the bell didn't fall.
You missed it.
I know that, but
It was there to hit.
Different, 64.
Yes.
catch it! Hey.
चलो दो डबल.
नहीं 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 नहीं.
Over.
19. ओए 2 रन लिया यार.
2 run. Ilyas bhai 1 and over.
Hasnin.
3 overs, 19. 319.
that was
Aditya.
second time too.
You have 2 more balls.
2 more balls.
How many balls left?
3 overs, 19.
3 overs हो गया 19.
Come on Aditya.
लकड़ी की बात है.
यार अपना ग्रीन बैट कहाँ चला गया?
लास्ट टाइम आप खेल तो रहे थे.
वो आज का आज नहीं है.
लास्ट टाइम कौन ले गया था?
कौन ले गया था भाई ग्रीन? मैं 2 ले गया था, मैं दोनों ले आया.
मैं तो कुछ नहीं लेके जा रहा, मैं पहले ही चले जाता.
Come on guys, come on.
आई फील लाइक अगर वो आप श्रीलंकन टीम आती ना पहले वाली तो वी कैन बीट देम.
अब हाँ लग रहा है. लेकिन we have to get that.
हमारे यहाँ ऊपर का कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं है.
हाँ.
कंसिस्टेंसी चाहिए. कि अगर जैसे होता है प्रॉपर बैट.
एक ओवर में 10 का टारगेट रखो. It's fine.
Wow, what a ball. All because of the match. Good bowling.
All because of the match. Very good.
The match supports both the batsmen and bowlers, man.
नहीं इस पे uneven bounce हो रहा है. तो भाई कभी होता है कभी नहीं.
नहीं यार.
पर लास्ट गेम में भी ना वो तो अनएक्सपेक्टेड मतलब एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी था. आज देखिए जो आपने बॉलिंग करवाई लाला ने जो छक्के मारे
नहीं, वो तो
full toss
गंदी
पे
बॉल
थे,
थी
right?
यार, गंदे बॉल
यासीन ने तो अच्छी बॉल करवाई थी ना. उसको भी पड़े. ही बॉल रियली गुड आई थिंक.
यासिन ने फुल टॉस नहीं दिया एक भी.
यासीन ने भी फुल टॉस नहीं दिया था. फिर भी पड़े क्योंकि वो एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी बैट्समैन थे.
रन गाइस. ओ फारूक भाई कॉल करें यार.
फारूक भाई आप देख रहे हैं रन करें आप. कीपर मिस करे सिंगल बनती है इजीली.
स्पेशली कीपर अगर हंसते हैं तो.
अब आना ना भागना. आप दूसरे को रन आउट करवा देंगे.
मैं इंतजाम हूँ भाई. 3 balls, 19. देखो मैच से कितना फर्क पड़ रहा है. लास्ट ईयर मैच में खेलते ना, they wouldn't have played that well.
प्रेशर में दोनों वेग. शाबाश.
यासिर आप चले जाओ.
जित्या
फोर्थ ओवर है भाई. और 19 बने बस.
ओह नाइस. कमर आते हैं सिंगल.
नहीं डबल नहीं है. 20. Come on Farooq. 20. 21.
20 ना.
वो बोल रहा है 21.
आप
सज्जाद.
कर रहे हैं ना स्कोरिंग.
मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ, कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हूँ भाई मैं.
ये अच्छा यार.
18 runs थे.
19. Last one में 19.
इतना स्कोर नहीं है हमें.
ठीक है यार 21 कर दो. 1 रन से कुछ नहीं होगा. रन गाइस.
फारूक भाई
नहीं सज्जाद है. 22. हंसने की गलती नहीं है. हंसने हर कोई यही कह रहा है कीपिंग.
नहीं रन भी नहीं हुआ. एक्स्ट्रा रन भी नहीं हुआ. मैं तो बॉल पकड़ा मेरा से स्लिप नहीं हो रही.
क्या बॉल है यार. गुड बॉलिंग.
अरे भाई तेज आओ ना.
क्या करें.
सैफ. Aditya last ball. Okay, let Saf come.
Who's bowling next?
Saf is coming next.
I'm gonna defend this shit.
No,
Oh, hey,
go for
man,
it.
Just last ball anyway.
Go for it.
I read it.
If all out, then you have chance. Good. Saf.
क्या ओवर था.
Saf, come in.
इसके बाद मैं जाऊँ.
हाँ.
हसनैन जा रहे हैं ना? फारूक कोई नहीं, 4 ओवर है, आपको बस एक शॉट चाहिए, दैट्स इट. Aditya, you hit 8 sixes, man, in the practice.
See, that's why no practice.
सारा एनर्जी वही निकल गया.
आज का कोटा हो गया इसका.
Okay, next time you just
I didn't even
defend.
touch the bat.
You just defend in the practice then next time. When good over.
You ball.
No, that bat is really bad. It's not going anywhere.
Yeah. I like this one, but the grip is bad now.
When see you can see the difference with the mat.
The ball
It
is for the
helps
bowler,
the
you mean?
bowler and the batsman.
Okay.
It's good for both, man.
Yeah, my
not
only
good for
problem with that is I don't get
batsmen.
even footing. It just
No,
back in my
just-
mind that it's not
so
nailed
pull it
down.
in, pull it in a bit.
Can we make some nails? Like, you know, pull
We
it in?
can, yeah.
It's
We
fine.
ju- we just
don't
don't want
have nail it
to.
on the other end.
Yeah, yeah.
Just when near the foot, we have to nail it
Yeah,
down.
we can. It won't hurt the. It won't make the pitch bad, right?
Yeah, it's
If we do
I mean,
use.
the dirt pitch anyway. We'll cover it up.
Yeah, yeah.
1 second, Lala. Sorry.
Score, guys, score. 22, 4 overs.
पीछे पीछे हातिम पीछे
We missed
हातिम.
like.
Hey, Hassan.
No,
Second
Hadi
con,
touched the
second
ball.
con. Different angle than Nadir.
Dude, वैसे भी नहीं जाएगा.
Let's go, Lala. Beat the bat. Beat the bat. Come on, get up. No shit.
हसनैन अपना बंदा.
Easy catch.
नहीं लेगा, नहीं लेगा, कोई नहीं लेगा. Run, run, run.
Got it. Oh, thank God.
It's okay, it's okay.
Good thinking, good thinking.
I need to practice high catches.
Come on, no shit. Stay alive, alive, alive. Come on, buddy. Make some noise.
It comes really high.
Where is the noise
One
you
person
make?
calls it, but a lot of people come to it.
Next week we'll do some fielding practice.
We're good with like throwing the ball, regular fielding, but
Yes.
Chakka.
Yes.
Beach में like Chakka. Out.
Out.
Out?
Oh,
Oh man.
but should I go or someone else going?
Catch us, Matt. Good bowling, Lala.
I just came out. I got out.
Oh man. Should have been a 6.
They moved the boundary.
Yeah.
That's, I haven't done. This looks longer.
Oh, yeah.
Oh shit, ready? Good catch, Asmat. Waise, Nadir. Hasnan, right. There you go. There you go.
Feels like I can actually do it today. It's coming on the bat.
Hey, easy. Run here.
I don't even care about the boundary because I can't even touch it right now. I missed everything. I defended it because I was like, I'm not hitting it anyway. Just defend and run.
Even Virat takes a break once in a while. Gets out for 5. Just be happy to hear about that. Oh, bowling here. Hey.
1-1-1.
1. Once all day, that's fine. Only 2 bowlers can bowl 2 overs. So ये Lala का second over है. I have to rotate now. You'll get to bat, don't worry.
Then I come back. I come back.
Hey, easy.
No, I missed it.
Good boy. Well judged, boy.
No. I'm at the end.
It's fine.
I'll come after this over is over.
Bowling Lala.
Go यार, फील्ड करो यार. एक फील्डर चाहिए.
तुम से नहीं.
It didn't hit the center.
Who's the leg umpire? No one?
ये है ना फारूक.
No, is he fielding?
Whoa! Unplayable. I don't care who the batsman is. Unplayable. Unplayable. Over. किसको दें Lala? Who should bowl? Hasnan, okay.
Anyone can now because Aditya
2 more overs, right?
I'm not out yet.
You come back, we'll change it.
If it's out.
I think, yeah. Just even like I'm telling him, even Virat takes an off day, so it's okay.
No, he played enough sixes in the practice.
So I think he's burnt out.
next time he cannot hit sixes in the practice. His quota is done, man.
Technically, I didn't bat
You
back
really,
or
dude,
la la la.
the other
in
match, the first
practice.
match, you played beautifully. That's one of the most enjoyable innings I watched. And I was keeping.
Even
So I
today
had-
when he was batting, it was really, he was hitting the ball.
Even on the covers. I don't know why you tried to convert covers to mid wicket when you have such good lofted drives.
Yeah.
Play the lofted drives. Let's go, Hasnan! Time up!
Technically, I didn't bat Venk or Lala in the practice.
Oi, 1-1-1-1. Hey,
They
hey,
never
hey,
bowled
hey,
for me.
hey,
Two.
No,
Okay,
1-1,
keep up, keep
1-1.
No. Fielding. That's
Seth,
fine.
you have enough overs, 3.5.
Oh!
No, that's it.
How many people do we have?
We have Yasir! Oh, Darim.
So Darim. Hard left side.
Come on, Darim. हसनैन गोल्डन आर्म आज आपका गोल्डन आर्म है ये वापस आएंगे
अभी मौका भेज दे 30 से तो क्रॉस हो जाएगा
Come on, Darim. He's saying the openers are not out. You and Iklas.
डिप्रेशन में होता है अभी तक मैं भी डिप्रेशन में था 5
Come on, Darim. Go for it.
Let's go. One more wicket. Let's go, Hasnan.
You don't bat. You don't bat in the practice. I think people should bat who want to bat. One in the over, not a no ball.
1-1.
1-1.
1 over. Bowling Hasnan.
ग्यारह है तो यार
How many balls? 3 balls left, eh? 3 balls. Let's go, Hasnan. One.
Good job.
No shit. What was that? No shit. Why were you sitting down, dude? Huh? Why were you sitting down? Dude, you're 14. Come on.
15.
Feeling Asmat.
Ah.
Good out, Hasnan. Asmat. This is over if you guys want to hit.
Who is it? They sat me. They sat me when everything was over. I should have went one down.
Asmat gets here. Sneaking kids. Let's go, buddy. Line. Oh! It's okay. Warm up. Good length.
This
Score?
game is done.
Scott!
Oh my.
35.
35.
कोई बोल रहा है 33, कोई बोल रहा है 35. क्या हो रहा है यार?
Two.
One deep square leg, please. Lala! Sir, hey, Yasir, that con, middle con.
How many overs left?
Last two.
After this, 2?
After this one.
Oh, Why?
Come on, Asmat.
Shot! 6. 6.
Four.
Oh, 4.
Good shot, got him.
In a regular field, that's out. It's really short.
But that gap looks still.
Yeah.
It'll be too square. Good bowling. It's okay.
Oh. 1. Shot!
How many balls left? You made it look effortless. For me, if I play that shot, I'll look like I'm expending all my energy. You see that? Look at this. Good guy. Let's go, Asmat!
Bro, what the hell? I hate these things.
It's just a bumblebee. Those don't stay.
I still hate insects.
Good ball!
It's not about stinging, I just hate them. I know none of them say I hate grasshoppers, they're all those things, but I hate them. I wouldn't care if it's a honey. Oh, good try. I wouldn't care if it's a honeybee, but
Scott? How many hours left?
I said bye. Let me go.
Hatim. Last shot.
Oh,
Go. 1, easy. Yeah, no ball. He went down and hit it with his head, yaar. Come on, yaar. He took a full toss and hit it with his head.
oh, that wasn't no ball.
Fine.
You can be out on a free hit?
Good shot of free hit. You can
Why
run
is
out.
he switching? Oh, he just retired.
I don't know why they're not. What is easy?
Man, that's a top ball.
Aajao.
That was it.
Good shot.
Karim, if keeper misses.
Keeper won't miss.
Oh man.
Oh, damn it. He's standing outside. Oh shit. Oh shit. What did I do?
Thank you, Ditya. Thank you, Wayne. Appreciate it, brother. You are very clever keeper.
It's okay. Batsman form nahi hai ye. Here, the other one. Good batting. It's okay, this batsman's not in form. Get him.
We need 80.
Next second. watch the replay, your back will be like this. I thought you made it. Run, run, run!